it comes to travel photography, wildlife can be the most challenging part. On my recent safari trip to Zambia and Botswana, I tried my hands on wildlife photography with my new Nikon Z6 mirrorless camera. This is the first time I shot wildlife with my new camera, and I was eager to see how it performs in challenging situations. The Nikon Z6 is a mirrorless full-frame camera, so the sensor is as big as with any professional DSLR. Features 24.5 megapixel, which allows for cropping without losing too much resolution in post-production. And the best part, the Nikon Z6 fires up to 12 photos per second, which can be essential while shooting moving subjects. I can definitely say that I'm happy that I switched to the new Nikon Z6. It has a built-in 5-axis image stabilization, which compared to my previous DSLR helps a lot when shooting moving subjects, especially with long focal lengths, which is something you always use when on a safari. Also, the Z6 is water and dust sealed, like any other professional DSLR, which is a new thing for a mirrorless camera and really useful when it comes to safaris while you shoot in the bush where it's all dusty. If you want to know more about my experiences with the Nikon Z6, you can read my blog post on thetravelblog.at.